Hi friends, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you a simple library that can be used for web scraping in PHP. So this is a library that is called simple HTML DOM. You can Google it and you can visit its documentation and you can simply download it from sourceforge.net. So this is the documentation and here is the download link. You can download it from here. I've already downloaded it and placed it in my web server folder so I can execute it, and I can show you the structure of this folder. Okay, so if you go into example folder, you can see there are multiple examples. Let's look at basic selector example. So this is the basic selector example. Let's say we want to scrap data from olex.com and cars category, and you want to find all the links, hyperlinks in the HTML DOM, find all the images on that page and find all the images with full tag. So that's it, and if you run it in your browser, execute it, and you will see that it have parsed all the hyperlinks from that page. You can see it here. And at the bottom you can see it has also fetched all the images from that page. So it's basically a very straightforward library, and it's very handy if you want to do web scraping using PHP. Let's try some other page like mobile phones, and just copy the URL in the browser and paste it in your here, and go back to the code and hit enter. Okay, now you can see we have all the mobile phones images here. This is a very useful library and you can explore this on your own from here, simple html dom.sourceforge.io, and you can do further research on your own. The purpose of this video was to give you a heads up in web scraping using PHP. So that's it for now. See you in next video. Thank you very much. Bye.